Hey y'all, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So we are making coleslaw, and coleslaw is one of those things I did not like before. But now that I'm a vegetarian, I love coleslaw. Well, some things I realized it's not that I didn't like it, I didn't like the way other people made it, right? So I like either sweet or savory or salty, right? I realized that a lot of people put sugar in their coleslaw. And they say, oh, it's just a little bit. You can't taste it. I can taste it, and I don't like it. I don't want sweet cabbage. Cabbage has its own natural sweetness. And so right now, I'm just putting some Sir Kensington's Dijon balsamic, and I ran out. I didn't realize how much of it I had used. So I just went through that bottle. I'm also adding some Sir Kensington's classic vegan mayo. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. I'm going to have to put a little bit more juice in there. I have other salad dressings. I just actually made a sample of this, and I know it's going to be good because I ate a little bowl. I didn't want to make a whole bowl without trying it first. So I did try. I may not need to put an extra juice. It might be fine. Let's see. I'm also going to put a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Pepper. Alright, I'm going to do the shake method. So I'm going to put my lid on, honey, and shake it. Get everything all up in there, all juicy. And then I'll be able to figure out if I need a little bit more juice. Actually, it might be alright. Might be alright like this. Yeah, I think it's good. Let's try it. Mm-hmm. I be doing too much. I need to cut out my foolishness. Well, that's it, y'all. I'm getting ready to go enjoy another bowl of this. I just wanted to show you how I made it. Real simple, real quick, real fast. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.